Good morning, everyone. It's Tuesday, off to work, and I have trash again. I know, and I have a load. Taking it to the store. I have made great progress in that garage. I would say the last few days I have took out 3 loads of stuff, whether it's going to the store. Just about finished with that last little bit of my booth, and I'll show you my progress in that garage, so I hope you stay tuned. And thanks so much, guys, for watching. I appreciate it. Alrighty, to the garage. Alrighty, guys, I thought I'd show my progress, or show the garage before my progress today. Yes, I know it just keeps getting pulled out, messed up, but I got a little time today, and I'm going to see how much I can get in the trailer. And I've got to decide. You see that big old green bag right there? That's got 7 trees in it. So I need to decide, what am I doing? Which trees am I keeping? I'm definitely going to keep this kind of tree. I think it looks more of the primitive kind. It comes in 3 pieces. So, and I'm not sure about these. I got several of them. They're a little faded because I used them on the front porch. So I don't know what to do with them. So we'll see. Alrighty. Let's see how much I can get accomplished today. I brought my water out here. Of course, my phone will be out here if they maybe need me at the store. I cannot talk today. What is the deal? Alrighty. There's things that I didn't know I had. Like that rug. I know. And that sink is going to go in the flower bed. I got to clean it up and see how much I can get in that trailer. Okay. So I've worked Wednesday about 3 hours, and today is Thursday. There is still a lot of this that is going to the yard sale. These are clothes. They need to go to the help center. That box of glass stuff will go to Florida. And I pulled out this part. I've kind of got it straight for right now. Kind of tightened it up. Now, this whole row will be going to the 127 yard sale. Thank goodness that I had that done back in the winter where it wasn't too hot out here. So I'm going to show you the other part, but I want to show you something special that is what I have been trying to do for years. So I hope you stay tuned Okay, guys, I'm a hot mess today. I got out here at 7 and it's already 9:30. I got more trash in the back of the truck and a few more things that I'm going to take to the store. But this that is about to happen has never happened before. So stay tuned. I thought I'd bring you along. Now this means so much to me. So let me turn this around and you'll see. Now, I know, I have a lot more to do, but look. You know what? It is the little things in life. So let me park this, turn this off. Well, I can't get out. Wait. I do need a little more work. But this is just so exciting. I mean, so let me get in there. This is big, guys. Peaches is almost at the new home. Now, I definitely have to go through all of these. Okay? And this, there are more that'll go to the sale over there. But I want to focus this area. I'm going to take that and put it over there next to the steps. And there's a hall tree that I need to work on. And I'm going to keep that on the stairs because I'm hoping that that goes to a show in October. Alrighty, guys. My progress is doing so much better. But this progress didn't just happen overnight. I have worked on this for months. And I've got some more that I want to work on after I get this pile done. Because if I pull in, I need to work on more of this row here. So I have plenty of room to get my peaches in there. And that's what I call my truck, peaches. Alrighty. I'm going to get off here. And thank you so much, guys, for coming along with my journey. Hopefully the next video I make, which it's going to be a few weeks of the garage. We got some stuff to do in the house. Do you ever just think of the stuff that weighs you down? And you think, whoa, what a relief. Alrighty, guys, so I'm going to get off here. I'm going to get Peaches back out. I'm going to get cleaned up. I'm going to go to the store, take a few of those things in the back of the truck, and go to the dump one more time this week. So, guys, have an awesome day. Enjoy every moment, and I'll see you in the next video.